Hello children, do you remember me? I am Leah and I am your science teacher. Yes? So, in the last class, what did we discuss? Yes, water cycle, isn't it? We discussed about water cycle. Yes? And we can see water cycle here. Yes, can you see it? Yes, there is what is happening here. The water is collected and reaches a larger water body. Yes, and what happens when the sun is present, isn't it? So the sun is hot, and what happens? The sun makes the water hot or warm. Okay, and what happens after that? The water vapor starts rising, isn't it? The water vapor rises and reaches the sky. Okay, and what happens in the sky? Many water vapor is present, isn't it? And what happens when a cool air blows? Yes, when a cool air blows, the water vapor it condenses to form water. Yes, do you remember? Okay, and what happens? Yes, then the rain is formed, isn't it? When the clouds loses its capacity to hold water, the rain is formed. Okay, and this rain is collected again in the larger water body. Do you remember water cycle? Okay, so children, you can see two types of weather here. Yes, one is sunny and one is rainy. Now, we will study what is a weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and at a particular place. Okay, what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and at a particular place. Okay, so just children, just see outside, just look outside. What can you see? Is it rainy or is it sunny? Yes, somewhere in some places it will be rainy. Yes, some places it will be sunny. Children, the condition of that particular place is rainy. Okay, so they experience a rainy weather there. Okay, and where there is sunny, that particular place has a sunny weather. Okay, yes, did you understand weather? Okay, children, now we have to study about some factors that the weather depends on. Okay, so weather depends on three factors. Okay, three factors. And what are the three factors? Yes, sun. The first factor is sun. Okay, sun. Then air. Then water. Okay, so these are the main three factors that the weather depends on. What was the factors that the weather depends on? Sun, rain and water. Okay children, now we are going to learn about wind. Yes, we studied wind in our first class itself, isn't it? What was wind? Yes, the moving air is called as wind. But children, do you know how the wind forms? Do you know it? When the sun is very hot. What happens when the sun is very hot? Yes, the land becomes hot, isn't it? Have you experienced that? Yes, maybe you have experienced that. Have you walked barefoot at noontime in the soil or road? Have you walked like that? Yes, at that time, what do you experience? Yes, it will be very hot, isn't it? Yes, okay. So the thing is that when the sun is very hot, the land also becomes very hot. Okay, and what happens? This air will be rising up from the land. Okay, the hot air or warm air will be rising up from the land. Okay, and what happens is that the cool air from the surroundings rushes to take the place of this warm air. Okay, and this moving air is called as wind. Okay, so what was wind? When the sun is very hot, the land becomes hot. And the warm air from the land, it rises up. Okay, and the cool air from the surroundings rushes to take the place of the warm air. And this moving air is called as wind. Okay, children, did you understand about wind? Okay, now we have to study three types of wind. Okay, the first wind that we are going to study is breeze. What is breeze? Do you know what is breeze? The gentle wind. Okay, the wind that moves very gently is called as breeze. Okay, now we are going to learn a different type. Okay, the second type of wind. That is gale. Okay, look at this picture. You can see a very strong wind, isn't it? A strong wind is moving. Yes, in this picture, can you see that? A strong wind. That is why the leaves of the coconut tree is moving like this. Okay, so you here the picture shows a strong wind. Okay, and the strong wind is called as gale. Okay, so the gentle wind is called as breeze and the strong wind is called as gale. Okay, next we are going to learn about the third type of wind. That is storm. In the case of storm, there will be a heavy rain and a strong wind too. You can see in the picture, there is heavy rain here. Yes, these people are experiencing a very heavy rain. That's why they are wearing raincoats, isn't it? Yes, on the road also you can see a water is present there on the road, isn't it? Okay, so they are experiencing a heavy rain with a strong wind. And this condition is called as storm. Okay, now we studied about three types of wind. What was the first one? Breeze. The second one is storm. And the third one is gale. Okay? Now children, we are going to study about a new thing, that is seasons. Have you heard that? Seasons. Seasons. A beautiful picture, isn't it? Yes. So we are going to study about seasons. So season is a condition where a weather persists for some time. Okay, maybe a 3 or 4 months. The same condition, that is the rainy weather, persists for a 2 to 3 months, and that condition is called as rainy season. If the sunny weather is there, it persists for a 3 or 4 months, and that condition is called as summer season. Okay. The first season that we are going to study is the summer season. Okay, in India, we experience 3 seasons. The first one is summer, the second one is rainy, and the third one is winter. So first, we are going to study about summer season. Okay, children. Yes, you can see beautiful pictures here, isn't it? So here you can see a sun. So this is a sunny climate. You usually go on tours during sunny climate, isn't it? During summer season. Okay, so children, what you have to learn is the days of the summer season are longer. Okay, the daytime is very longer and the night time is shorter. Okay, during summer season, the daytime is longer and the night time is shorter. Okay, we usually wear what type of clothes during summer season? Yes, cotton clothes, isn't it? We usually wear cotton clothes during summer season. And children, what do we drink? What do usually people drink during summer season? Yes, the people drink a lot of water, isn't it? They drink a lot of water. Yes, other than water, what all things do they drink? Yes, juices, then soft drinks, etc. We eat a lot of ice creams too, isn't it? Okay. The next season that we are going to learn is rainy season. See, we usually use umbrellas and raincoats during rainy season, isn't it? So, what type of clouds do we have during rainy season? White or grey? Yes, we have grey clouds during rainy season. Okay, now we are going to learn another season. That is winter season. See this picture? Can you see this picture? Yes, you can see snow falling, isn't it? So, in winter season, we experience heavy cold. It is the coldest season. Winter season is the coldest season, and snow may or may not fall during winter season. In some parts of India, it will be snowing, but in other parts, it may not snow. Okay, people use usually woolen clothes during winter season. And children, the days of the winter season are shorter. Okay, and the night time will be longer. Okay, but in summer season, it's vice versa, isn't it? The days are longer and the nights are shorter. But in winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Okay, did you understand about seasons? So children, we studied weather and seasons today. Okay children, with this topic, we finish our first lesson. Bye.